In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix error RG45 at chase.com. So first of all, launch open chase.com application, or you can also open it on the browser if you want. Now once you open the application, if you have faced the RG45 error, what you have to do is tap on the more icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to see various options over here. Scroll down to the bottom. Tap on this option support that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the support interface of chase.com. Error RZ45 on chase.com indicates an IP address block, often resulting from previous account closures due to fair play violations or abuse. So what you have to do is start the conversation with the AI agent. After you do that, tap on this option, get more help that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to enter your problem over here. What you have to do is tap on the message bar that you can see at bottom. Now enter your problem. Simply type in your problem in your own words. I've written I am facing RZ45 error. How do I solve it? Now send the message. Now after you do that, the AI agent will reply to you. Simply follow the instructions of the AI agent and your problem will be fixed. So that is how you fix error RZ45 at chase.com. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.